Welcome to Family Movie Day at Hollins Road Baptist Church, watching the movie Greatest Christmas Pageant Ever. Such a fun day. God bless.
Salty hug.
Smell. Popcorn salt.
Good. Get ready for the movie. Look at all the cookies. We got cookies.
Hey y'all, how's everybody doing?
We're doing fine. We're going to watch a movie today.
What are you going to watch today?
Yeah, I told Kathy we want to go to a movie. She says, yeah, where are we going? I said, church.
How's everybody doing?
Good.
Y'all ready to see a movie?
So yeah.
What are you doing?